the login page, as you can see. We have two logins currently, one for the cashiers and the technicians, or anybody who can cash, as well as technicians who repair bikes and such. So you then basically into username. So let's say down for instance, password for the cashier slash technician will be 1234 using engine. So here we already have some orders. This is basically the order history screen. So yeah, this was made on the 6th of the 14th, which is April, 6th of April 2025. Was ordered by Will Smith, and he ordered one 12 millimeter earring for $100. So these are other orders as well. Cassian also ordered some Marty, some GM, some other stuff on the TikTok to this. So if you want to go ahead and create an order, you never come that. And this automatically update to today's date. So let's say I want um what else stuff like a kickstand, right? Yeah, name kickstand, yeah, manufacturer on the side, category, price, quantity. So on the kickstand, we have 20 in a stock right now, so I could add it to the list. And let's move on to the price go up 44, 13, go to 66, and you know this for the total price as well. I could also keep clicking over here for it to increase. And let's say I want a carbon wheel set. One. And then that's a very price went up. And one last thing would be this. Right. So enter customer name. That's interesting. Cash your order. And now when I go into the order history, you can see here, so Justin and follow up mobile. Let's say I want to delete it. I could delete it from here. And it prompts you, are you sure you want to delete this order? Okay, and it's deleted. As for repairs, it shows the history of the repair up here. And whether it's completed, it's pending, or it's in progress. So you have the name, John Doe, name of the person who came in for the repair, the bike that the repair is being done on, the problem, and here you'd see assigned to Carl Smith. So the repairman would be Carl Smith, the date it was scheduled, and the estimated completion time. So if I click on update status, it would change the status. And that's that. It's first coming for a subscription payment here in the placement. Yeah, I came in for an hour change, and that was on the 6th. So I'm had somebody know. So Brian, let's say Brian. And Brian have major is to order and him on in full engine replacement. Or engine tune, I should say. Service engine. Assigned to can assign this to Kyle Smith as well. So Kyle Smith schedule date would be calling. Okay. Yeah, I think we're doing by call it 1 week. And most of the things I basically just see because the data I generated the data they put into it and I generated ESC Nego insert all of these manually. So let's say this would have cost like around 50,000. And then you add your fare and you scroll down to the bottom. You can see Ryan injuries to work, full engine service and tool. Assigned to Carl Smith. It's pending right now. I will put it to in progress. And then I put, yeah, that's that for this page. So I'm log out now and log into the manager's side of things or whoever has the access or who's have the content permissions, I should say. Password with the admin, ADMIN. And you can do the same thing as the cashiers can. But once you're an admin, when you have low stock, it will tell you here that you have low stock ornaments or smileys in the inventory or low easy stock soon. So if I head over to the employees now, you can see all the employees in our list. Carl Smith is our great technician. Date of employment, that's what DOE means, his email and his phone number. And let's see how to edit cars, right? Could say, once you click on edit, it's gonna change the color will change to a darker hue. So you can see it changed to darker gray. First time coming in like 2022 when the company just started. Save that and it's there now 2023. It can be active. And let me add a new person. Who am I going to have? So that's it. That's it. Position. Let's set your number actually. Email. Phone number. Alright. That's what I'm saying. So add employee should come up that round. That's what I can always edit to do. Save. Once I click edit, the button changes to save, and I click on save it. So Cathy Thompson, General Manager. Data employment would have been today, since I don't put in our system, so the automatically update, but you can always go back and edit it to a different date. You have inventory as well, which shows how the items they have currently in inventory. So the things highlighted in red will be things that are under 20. We have less than 20 of. So we have for the comfort grips, which is a handlebar for the handlebar. For that, I'm setting already. But let's put 20 in there, right? Edit. Less than 20 or 20 and I think a 20 and I display the whole thing. 21, enter. And the red gone outside now. Put 20. Yeah, I'm less than 20 for that. So we put 90. And it gone back right now. Also, so if you don't have anything in stock, when you make an order, it now will show it. So go back to the inventory. We have the comfort gift from Paragon, right? So go to order now, create new order. Paragon comfort grips, 19 in stock. If I don't have any in stock, I'm gonna shop over the side, right? And they can make an order because they don't exist. It disappeared. Name. I'm gonna see the comfort gift. And you can always edit and delete stuff as well from here. Reports. These you can't click these until you set a time frame. But low stock you can always get that. You go to show things they have low stock currently or under 20. So 10, 1, 3, 15, 0, 18. The price, the total value, everything over currently. The name and the category. Six sold stock items. So let's say one a sales report for, let's say first at April to today. And generate that, and I tell them everything we need from the sales report, total revenue between that time. So the best selling items would be the bar tape, nano, chain move, the K 6 oil, and those other stuff as well. And let's look at the repair report. We have a couple of repairs, which it shows an as well as and then you have the total repair cost. We have the inventory report, which, and let's see, man, we need to update this as well. We need to know what going on, but this should show all the inventory items that we have, which I don't even think it's necessary because we already have inventory here. So yeah, that's basically what we have so far. As for the search bar, it's not working. We need to write the code feed so it can start over again. It was working until I did the code, had some new features, and then it stopped working again. So we need to do that. And we can log out, and that's it.